Hi everyone, I'm Yolanda. I'm the sales of the Outlooks. Please allow me to spend some time introduce our product to you all. First of all, let me introduce the LED Luma series streetlight. So this is where we can have the photo cell or smart control system pre-installed here. How we do it, you just unscrew the parts and then open out this area like this. And here is the LED flat module. We install directly onto the heatsink for the better heat dissipation purpose. This is very good for the mining installation application because you can see that there's no gap between and it's slim design. I'm going to open out the electronic lip like this. First of all, you can see that when I open out, the screw is not going to drop because there's a washer underneath the screw. As you can see that this is the electrical lip, and you see that there's a gap around this area where we usually cover out the electrical chambers. How are we going to do it? Once we close it, and then we can compress to this area tightly. So in order to avoid the water retention inside this chamber. That's a Waco terminal block where we connect two strings. One is to the power cord supply here. Here is the other one is to the driver. And we can have two different kind of driver. One is a flip driver or main wheel driver. This is the label, bubble label. Usually we can have either the 10 kA or 20 kA SPD installed, and you can have two different voltage. One is 120 to 277 voltage, or 347 to 480 voltage. So either way, you can choose. It depends on your projects. Here is I actually forgot to mention, for the LED chips, you can have two different options. One is Nijiya or luminous. So this is very good street light for the small road or sidewalk or like a mining area. So if you are considered to have a very economic LED street light, you can think about the Luma. Hey guys, let me show you around our laboratory. The first room is IP Protect test. That's the raining test machine. And we also have the water container for the IP67 test. Usually we connect the wire to the future and turn it on and sitting here for like more than 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so I'm going to show you to another room. That is a high and low temperature test. Actually, you can say that's an environmental test. This is the IK test. And that's a lower and higher temperature machine test. So the other room is a 3G vibration test. This is where we install the feature and then turn on the machine will shake to see how strong the feature connect to the adapter. So that's our low static test. So we put the weight, I think, in the middle part of the feature and see how strong the feature is. I'll show you another room. That's a light distribution room where we usually get the IES files. How we do it? Hi, this is the integrity sphere where you usually get a CCT or RF value. This shade is for the temperature rising test. So we can open like this. So we connect the wire to different, like 10 different locations on feature, and so we test the temperature before we turn on the feature, and then turn on the feature, and then we test the temperature after we turn off the light during like 30 to an hour. The optical lens design is our specialty, so we have more than 18 different types of optical lens, from type 1 to type 4. And its metric light distribution and the symmetric light distribution, it really depends on where you want to install. For street light or high bay, where the industry warehouse or sidewalk or gas station, so on and so forth. So what we can do is that we hire our lighting designer in the house, and we can help the customer to do the simulation design for free service. So this is very good. That we are very professional. We can help you to solve the problem. You don't even need to hire someone to do the design. We can help you to do the design. If you guys have any questions, you can always contact our staff at our email or go to our company website. Thank you.